What's going on? Welcome to Mobile Effects, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one indicator that I usually use that is very powerful, and how to really identify major trading areas using this indicator. So all you want to do is you want to come here on the indicator session, and you want to take a look at the smart money concept, like algo. It has like 23,828 as I am recording this video, and let me show you what it does. So if you activate this indicator, you can see there are some red lines and green lines, right? Red lines and green lines that are actually forming. So I want to actually just have a replay on this is gold that you're looking at, maybe up to here. Right, and I want to take you just through how I usually use this indicator to actually identify major areas to trade on. So let's go to a major time frame. Let's say, for example, 4 hours. So if you take a look at 4 hours, we have these two areas. You have this as a week high, and then you have this as a week low. At least it usually tries to show you different areas. So it shows you a break of structure. So this is where I want you to really focus on. You want to use this indicator to really help you identify major supply and demand zones. So if you don't understand how to identify major supply zones, you can always get into my Telegram group, which is Moabu FX. Can get into my Telegram group here, which is Moabu FX, whereby I usually share signals, I usually share trading ideas, I usually share updates. As you can see, yesterday we crashed it on gold, and even I usually share with you videos and training 100% for free. So you can see this was US 30, a prediction. Price actually broke this level and actually went down completely. This was gold. Gold actually gave us this pull during London session, and you can see here, for gold, right? The profit one hit. US 30 also, we took a live trade also, got a 1:2. So I usually share with you all those details for free. So let's get back to the chart and let me show you how to identify the supply and demand zone. So if I take a look at even the daily time frame, I just want to understand what are some of the moves that gold is making. So you can see gold is at the highest point ever, and most probably we can be able to see that gold has just been moving up, and we can be able to see that this is kind of a pullback that gold is forming. And where will gold have a pullback towards? It will have one, my first major level will be this level here, previous control candle that caused that broke the structure. And then our other major target level will be previous control candle that broke the structure. So you can see how this indicator usually makes your life very easy and really helps you analyze your charts very easy. So I know this is my level one, this is my main level two. Definitely, most likely, I'm waiting for gold to actually drop towards this level and get a reaction. So I get into the lower time frames, and in the lower time frames, what I'm actually looking, remember, I've already identified that we're already on a bearish move. We're already on a bearish move. So for me to hit this target here, I'm going to expect a break of this supply, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to see here now we have a break of structure, and then we have a change of character, which also you want to identify this also as your major demand level, and you want to draw your line there. So as per me, what I'm seeing here is what I'm seeing here with gold. I'm waiting for a supply level that will cause a break of structure or change of character to be able to give me a confirmation. So I'm able to just go to a lower time frame. Like for example, this is a 1 hour time frame, and you can see on the 1 hour time frame you have a change of character, but you haven't broken the structure. So this probably means that gold will actually pull back towards this level. So also here We just have a change of character. We don't have a break of structure. I'll mark this as a level also. So most probably what I'm looking for here, this is accumulation, this is manipulation. It has not broken this structure. Most probably what gold will do is it will actually come up here to be able, or come up here on this supply to be able to break the structure. And then what we'll be looking at will be the candle that has caused the break of structure and change of character in line, and then that is where will be our entry point. So what you want to do first is just observe what gold will do, but most probably you're going to get a pullback from here. So let's see. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, in the lower time frame, as I told you, so you take a look at 15 minutes, we have the break of structure, which is this. So previous contrary candle that caused the break of structure, which is there. You can see this is a top-down analysis. You can see these are the daily demand zones that are really, I'm sure they'll be causing this move, maybe to break this, to be coming to cover this void here. You can see also here there's a break of structure whereby I am able to take this previous contrary candle. Remember, this is a higher time frame supply zone. Also, you can see they are just coming in together. So I'll also come and get into the 5 minutes time frame also and just observe my zones completely. So these are our key trading areas. So this was just a change of character, it wasn't a break of structure. So this is where we broke the structure. So this is our main zone. So our 5 minute supply, is there. Our 5 minutes demand, the next 5 minute supply also is break of structure. It is in line with the 15 minutes. So I think from there we can be able to switch off our indicator. Let's see what actually happens. So you can see I have my trading zones, trading zone A, trading zone B. I may wait for price to get into this level so that I may get into sales. I may wait for price to get into this level to get into sales. Or also I may look for buying entries because I believe price will be going here. But price, you know, it's unpredictable. But let's see what happens. Right, so you can see we are having a pull. You're having a pull to this level. You can see, guys, as I have said, okay, so these are like, this is your price is today, right? This is your price is today. Most probably I'm going to expect this to actually get into this supply, and this will be my entry. Short position, risk of 1:2. Be able to give it a risk of 1:2. Short position 1:2. So this is how my trade will be looking like. If it hits our stop loss, our next sell, we will be looking at it from this zone. So that is how you work with the change of character. So let me go to another currency. Let's go to Euro USD. I want to just draw the lines and then just do the playing so that you can be able to see. Move drawing. Let's go maybe to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Let's maybe just go back a little bit. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe the past 7 days. To happen past 7 days. So let's activate the smart money concept. So you can see where we are right now. We have a break of structure. So if you have a break of structure, most probably price is going to continue to go up, right? So here we don't have like clear, I think the candle that we can actually draw that has caused this break of structure will be here. This will be a main demand zone. It will actually be pushing price to the up. So if you go to the 4 hours time frame, I'm sure you'll be able to see it clearly. The previous control candle that has caused the break of the structure is here. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to see it very well. You can see there was a break of structure. You can see where price is right now. We are having a change of character, meaning that USD will continue moving to the up. So I'll be able to come and draw right. You go to the 15 minutes time frame, see what's happening on the 15 minutes time frame. Change of character, it actually gives you a clear area or zone. You can have that one there. Then it cost, if you can have this initial one that actually made this move. So this is an uptrend. So we are looking for demand zones that will actually help us push price towards our area here. Our area here, break of structure. This will be our super supply zone to be looking to target. Okay, and then you also have another zone there. We'll get to the 1 hour time frame. You have equal highs, so most probably you'll have these two, these come straight these equal highs and then continues going up. So let's see. Waiting for it to fall. So I think I've already identified my entry points. The 5 minutes time frame. Let's put the exact candle that caused this was this. The exact candle that caused the break of structure. So we have that void there. Right. So let's see what your USD will do. I kind of feel we'll have a pullback either towards this zone and buy, or swipe the lows, come here and buy. Let's see what will happen. So let's say, I want to show you how I usually do my entries. Let's say we are here, I'll give you a 1:2. 1:2 is what you'll be looking at. So let's close this indicator. Let's take a look at this. I put it on. Guys, can you see exactly what I've told you? All right, so this was our entry, almost hit our stop loss, but you can see what it has done. It has come swiped. It has come swiped to the lower lows. All right, it has come swiped to the lower lows, bang all the way. So let's say, for example, it took my stop loss from there, 1:2. What I will come and re-enter here. All right, maybe with even a 1:4. 1:4. Let me show you 1:4. Maybe even with a 1:4. You can see immediately it came down. So guys, you can see how, like, man, I'm showing you this live. I'm showing you this live. Right. Look, I'll have put my buy limit there. And look, immediately it just hit our demand zone just to the peep, flew up, giving us a 1:4, like nobody else business. All the way. Right. Here's the thing. Hit. Can you see how precise this is? Like, just hit our level to the peep, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Okay. You have 1:4. So here's a strategy. This will be already a profitable trade. It hit our level, went all the way up. So what you want to do is always have a 1:2 first. 1:2, hit your 1:2, secure it, break even, and wait for, if it continues moving down, no problem. If it you can see also it came back again and hit our 1:2 again from this level that you had entered here. 1:2 again. So for example, if you had entered on this level here, and we had, you saw when we had the indicator, we had like we had somewhere whereby it had given us the equal lows. Yes, on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see these are equal lows. So what price usually does is, if you have equal lows here, it usually swipes the equal lows and then hits. Can you see precise, guys, what I had drawn? hit the 5 minutes. It hit the 5 minutes demand zone and bang all the way to the yeah, like just to the peep one, just to the peep. So right now it has broken this. I believe it's going to be going all the way down here. But that's how we usually do our entries. That's how we usually do our entries. Right, it looks like, so you see accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Have a good time, guys. If you want to learn more, check the links in the description below. That you've seen how we usually take our 1:2, 1:3 so easily. Get into my Telegram group as I drop today's signals. Have a good time.